Yeah, my name is Jim Nichols. I'm 72. Dr. Sparks did a Jiffy knee on me on the left side approximately 6 weeks ago. We do a lot of walking. Prior to it, I was walking about 4 miles, but at about 1 mile, my knee would bother me. I'm back up to 4 miles again, and I have to say that I have no pain in that left knee that I definitely had before. Doing pretty much everything I like to do at this point. I've always had a mechanical interest, just got done with a 4-wheel brake job on an F-350 truck, and just pretty much back to normal activities. Really liking it. Never had a knee replacement before, but would highly recommend it.
How much pain did you have after surgery?
Never took any of the oxycodone. Took a few Tylenol, but I have to say that probably within 7 to 9 days, it was pretty much gone away.
And how's physical therapy going?
Physical therapy is going fine. Range of motion is about 128 right now, is where we're at. And besides walking, I just ordered a bicycle. I'm going to start bicycling again, and looking forward to enjoying life.
All right. Thanks a lot.
Yeah.